This multifunctional system integrates a non-stick frying pan, griddle, and steamer with a detachable handle. It features a built-in draining cutting board and durable, heat-resistant components. This compact tool efficiently simplifies outdoor meal preparation, allowing the user to grill, steam, or fry within a single unit. This backpack-style cooling system operates between -4 degrees Fahrenheit and 68 degrees Fahrenheit, reaching 32 degrees Fahrenheit in 15 minutes. It features a 16-liter capacity, 24-pound weight, 35 decibel noise level, and 40-degree tilt protection. The unit utilizes a rechargeable battery and triple-layer insulation for efficient, portable refrigeration. Engineering meets tranquility in this Halkey-Roberts valve attachment. Operating at 80 decibels and requiring 60 seconds for the initial rush, it mitigates noise. The modular design enables easy maintenance for a quieter deflation experience. Built with a durable shell and Alutech body, this 2,200-pound caravan measures 18 feet long and includes a 3.6 cubic foot fridge, offering a balanced, compact space for modern travel. Featuring a 66 by 48-inch recycled polyester shell and 1.83-pound imitation silk insulation, this dual-sided garment functions as both a blanket and water-resistant poncho. It utilizes snap closures and integrated pockets for outdoor temperature regulation. Now let's talk about Pausable Tent by Mission Mountain. This 2-in-1 shelter caters to campers and pets alike, offering dedicated sections for everyone. The interior fits 3 people comfortably, while the 6.83-pound build remains portable. It includes a bag for seamless transport during trips. Here we have another van. From Gentle Tent is an inflatable awning designed for vans and small campers. It provides about 108 square feet of living space and high ceilings. The setup includes 2 doors and 4 windows, plus a roll-up front for airflow and protection. This container is perfect for more than just camping enthusiasts. It filters and chills 1.8 gallons to 43 degrees Fahrenheit. Its 2-phase system removes bacteria and viruses, letting you safely source refreshing water from rivers or streams. The ZenBivy Light Pillow offers comfort without heft. This modular system pairs an inflatable core with soft layers, allowing custom firmness. It mimics a home bed, providing great sleep during any wilderness trip.